Alright, 1.5 slide number 4. This is going to be the one folded and one spinning position, which is sort of one of the bread and butters of the 1.5 style. This little interchange right here is sort of, like I said, the bread and butter, one of the bread and butters. So if you can bounce and come back to your hand, like so. And same with the other one. Basically, you're going to be in an underhand grip here. You're going to bounce on your side, come back to your hand, and as you come back to your hand, let go of the other one. So that you're constantly switching which one's spinning and which one's not. Because then if you can do that, you can add lots of more complicated things to it, and it's still the same basic feeling. There are, of course, other ways besides for the underhand grip to actually grab the chuck into your hand. You can do it from an overhand grip, around your finger, around your thumb. You can come from up here and go all the way through, back into your hand. Like that. Or like that. So those are all different ways to sort of switch up between which one's spinning and which one is not. As you can see, I like this one better. The reason I like the underhanded one better is with this grip you just end up with sticks sticking out of the back of your hand, and there's not a whole lot you can do manipulating that. In the underhand grip you end up with them with the stick sticking up out of your hand, so you can actually manipulate that and make it look cool through your spinning. So that's the one spinning and one folded sort of style. One other cool transition that I found out of this is if you go over your head and switch. It's a cool sort of a transition. So you're going to go over your head to back to the native side of the hand and switch which one's spinning. So over, let's see, if we over this way and switch. Also, we've got this X folded position, right? So I've got one chuck in one hand, one chuck in the other hand. As you can see, I can let go of one and still be controlling the whole sort of deal. There's lots of ways to get into that. One way is to spiral wrap them in like that, and then you can spiral out also. From these folded positions, you can actually do sort of a moon wrap or a moon wave. And then the cool thing about that is that you can also then either moon wave it right back out into split, or add a wrap into this X folded position if you like, and then you can re-split it or add more folds to it. You can also, of course, if you can do the bottom version, you can do the top version, and same thing, you can either add wraps or take apart the wraps. Another cool thing about that is once you've added the wraps and you're into this X folded position, you can spiral out. Let's see. Yes, two other things about the X folded position. One, you can hold 3 of the sticks and drop one, and use it to sort of bounce like so. You can also switch which stick is bouncing, and use that to add extra wraps or unwraps also. And then the other cool thing about it is that you can do this combination or X-wrapping anywhere around your body. So you can do it here in front of you, you can do it down here underneath your legs if you like, you can do it here behind your back, and then you could say thread it out to the front, or thread it right to the back again, and then back around to the front. Another cool thing with that is if you half spiral unwrap, I guess I'll add a few other things. So first of all, from this you can do this sort of bouncing pattern here. So from the X folded position, I'm just going to throw one downwards and catch it. And then when I throw it upwards, I'm just going to catch on the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to switch constantly. Which one's catching it, which one's throwing. Alright, so also, if you have them in this sort of fake X-folded position, and you start, say, threading them around your body, then you can pull them apart. So yeah, I think that's enough for lab number 4. Have fun with those.